Did you realize that there are hundreds of potential expired listings that no one's calling in your market? What do you mean? Everybody's calling expired listings. No, they're calling the current ones. Here's a secret. And this is a gold mine. The first time that we had people do that and we did that, it generated a ton of listings. Matter of fact, we had one agent in Alabama that did this and generated 17 new listings in the first 30 days of following this process. What's the process? Well, if you go back 3 years, 5 years, even 7 years, do you think that there are homes that were on the market then, i.e. expired listings, that never sold? Of course there are. If you made the calls to those, you set yourself apart. How? Well, one, nobody else is calling them at this point. Two, they're not mad or angry anymore. And three, man, are you setting yourself apart as a realtor that can actually get things done? It's an easy conversation. Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, I noticed that you had your home at 123 Main Street for sale 3 years ago. I just wanted to call because we work with a lot of buyers, especially some that are interested in that neighborhood. And if we had one that was interested in your home, would you still be open to selling your home if you got the right price? Listen to the answers. Do this one. 3, 5, 7-year-old expired listings. There is a gold mine out there waiting for you to contact them. And by this time, you're the only one that's contacting them. All right, there's your tip. Go get some listings.